So, till yesterday, my life was so good. I had everything I wanted. I was happy, I was cheerful, I even ate my food in a glass. But this morning, something bad happened. Something bad which changed my life upside down. I found a quiz which tells me what fridge was I. I was confused. I wanted to remove that thought from my head, but that thought never left me. I was so frustrated, I even put my own hand on my head. It was time. It was time for me to find out what fridge was I. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is yet another episode of a show called. This is my first video, and I've been recording this video for like million times now, and I don't care what it is. And let's get to know what type of fridge am I. Cause yeah, I'm bored. You're bored. Let's just get started. Hi, so this is my first quiz that I have ever made or even attempt. So basically, this is a guy or girl is telling like this is the first quiz what they have made. Oh, I guess you guys can read, but the people who can't read, I know Wiki. Which, PS, if you're confused that question, just click the ones you like. Again, for the retarded ones, Wiki. So these guys are telling like select anything, it won't matter. So just like close my eyes. Let's just select. Yeah, it's something like a cloud bowl. Just go with it. I like cute things. What is the first thing that comes into your mind when you actually these are not useful, so just remove it. What is the first thing that comes in your mind when you hear the word fridge? Stores food. Yeah, it does. I don't know, just don't know. Vegetables and fruits, those horrible things. Who talks like that? I mean, I don't know. Food. Yeah, I guess this will be it. A silver, black, gray colored thing that keeps food. Oh, that thing that just sits around in the kitchen. No, I don't have it in my kitchen. Sorry. The hell you on about? I guess food is the one. Just go with it. Okay. Enough about fridges. Bro, we just started. It's like one question down. Okay, enough about fridges. What your hair color is? What's your hair color? What's my hair color? Seems like red. My mom said it's red in the childhood because I wanted to get my hair colored, but again, I guess she lies a lot about things. Blonde, medium light brown, auburn, red, reddy brown, red, white or gray, other dyed. I mean, black and dark brown. That's exactly what my hair color is, I guess. But my mom said red, so I'll go with red. The sea otter is the hairiest animal in the world. The biggest fear out of these, you only get to choose one. I mean, that was pretty creepy. But fear of losing someone you love. Seriously, you are gonna lose them sooner or later. Fear of being forgotten or alone. Nah, bitch, I'm doing that from 21 years. Fear of death. I don't care. Fear of heights. Kinda. Fear of small spaces. Fear of insects. Example, spiders. Fear of needles. I guess fear of small places because I'm a catus. What do you say that? That word. Let's just fear of small places. What does it call? Claustrophobia. Yeah, I have claustrophobia or whatever that is. Okay, that must have been hard. What's about your hobbies? And I have a lot. I do that 3 times a day. If only you know what I mean. Shopping, water hobbies, reading, writing, watching stuffs. PG-13. YouTube. Kinda I'm doing that shit right now. Drawing, cooking. Oh, hard question. Hard question. YouTube is it. I just can't help. Favorite holiday: Christmas, New Year, Easter, Halloween, my birthday, of course, Valentine Day, Valentine's Day, others, cause the one what I want is not here. It's called the weekend, duh. But again, let's just choose New Year Day, cause that's the only day. Just don't know. That's the only day what I like in this. What superpower would you want out of these? Healing, PUBG. Anyone knows it? Flight, invisibility, teleportation, weather control, element manipulation. Element manipulation? What the fuck is it? Avengers movie or something? To make it rain tacos. Let me think. Healing, invisibility without any doubt. Now you can dream about that superpower all you want. He. This is a girl for sure. Yeah, Ruhani ke. He is. That's exactly what they do. What's your biggest pet peeve? People who don't move when you say excuse me. Yeah, I hate those people. I am one of those people. Slow walkers, Wiki. People who click pens, fucking Wiki. People who actually, if you guys are just wondering, that's the only friend I have who I can insult. People who stare at for no reason. Sorry, man. No reason. People who walk really closely behind you. Never got through them. People who chew loudly. People with obnoxious laughs. You know who I am going to tell. So chill. I guess people who walk really close behind you is creepy because other ones are like, I bear with it every day. Favorite animals: panda, red panda, raccoon, snake, koala, hippopotamus, giraffe, mouse, rabbit, dog. What the fuck? Why am I reading all this? Tasmanian devil. That's not animal, I guess. Real animal. Let's just see. Tasmanian devil. Yeah, I use Explorer, Windows Explorer. So what? Oh, that's animal. It has such a cool name, man. Fucking, I wish my name was Tasmanian Devil. Guinea pig, monkey, cat. I'll go with Tasmanian Devil because the name is cool. I have to click next, of course. What is the one thing that's in your fridge right now? Like, there are a lot of things, but how about nothing? I was joking about being done with fridges. Veggies, eggplant, cabbage and stuff. Sauce, nah. Veggies are there for sure. How about no? I'm too lazy to go. Oh yeah, that's exactly matches with my situation right now. Dairy, meat, seafood, fruits. I guess I'll go with I'm too lazy to go because that describes more about me. How would you describe yourself? Confident? Oh bitch, yes. Helpful? Oh yeah. Vibrant? How can you be vibrant? How can you be vibrant? I just don't understand. God. Dedicated? Nah. Strange. I hope the editor is putting Stranger Things background here, and I hope this video don't get copyright claimed. So, lazy, of course, adventurous, sometimes fair-minded. I'm a dark-minded. What's about the color, bro? Racist? Nah, man. Justice for George Floyd. That's something going on in the USA right now. Mature? Nah. Calm? No. Emotional? No. Weird? Of course. Affectionate? Brave? Weird. I guess confident is the one, but let's go with the weird part because that's more better about me. I don't know what do you guys want. Pick a time of day or night. Late morning? Nah. Afternoon? Late evening? Actually, I'm in the middle of the night. It's 3 a.m. I guess. Yeah, 3 a.m. Night, middle of the night, sunrise, middle of the night. Oh, please. Do you people like Pachato Chan? I don't even fucking know what that is. The picture about you don't heads. Yeah, you gotta be there. I'm gonna give you that. If you didn't know, yeah, this is Pachako Chan. It seems I just don't care. What the fuck is this? Yeah, he's actually pretty sick. He's like a potato, little cute. What is that? Yes, how are we knowing what kind of fridge I am? Please, hello? Like, I'm here to know what kind of fridge I am. Yeah, that's exactly what I think. What is that? Yes, he's so cute. No, he's sleepy. Them hands. Let's just go with yes, he's cute. Ooh, whatever that is. What do y'all think of this frizz? Fridge plus quiz. Oh, frizz. Let's just make something else. A YouTube video and nonsense. So with nonsense, what the fuck? Yes, let's go. Sea salt, caramel light, air shrugs, and skip this question. That's exactly what I'm doing. All my quiz, good, bad, it nice, it not. Just give it nice, just to make her feel good. Counter depth fridge. I don't even know what kind of fridge that is. I only have that double door fridge. I had a single door fridge half of my life, which I don't even know what kind of fridge this is. Like counter depth fridge. What the fuck? Standard length. Counter depth. All right. I'm a counter depth fridge. So I guess I'm gonna edit my face into that fridge and just post on Instagram, whatever it is. So thanks for watching, guys. This is my first video, as you guys know. It's for 4th time, so I just hope I post this. And like, share, subscribe. I don't know why would you share this video, but yeah, subscribe, like. I know only 2 people are gonna watch it, so I'm not gonna exaggerate. And also my mom is watching. Hi mom, thanks for watching. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and peace.